Hey, what's that sound?
That's the washing machine. I gotta say, it's got a pretty nice beat to it.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bowl. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light. Louisiana Saturday night.
We should play some more of those memes you're receiving there, Looney Bird.
You're in luck, Billy Bob. We've got enough to last us 5 more shows.
That's great. What's the first one on our list?
Next one here is, Captain Look.
Captain!
Yeah?
No! Dude, we have so much shit to do! Holy fucking shit! No! Connor, get down there! Connor, no! Oh, fucking shit! Start breaking! Holy fuck! Hey, guys! Guys, we're cool! Hey, chill! Chill the fuck out! Chill the fuck out!
This next one is called Pet Russian.
Come here, my pet Russian. I have a drink for you.
Those are some good ones, Looney Bird. But, who suggested those?
No one. I found them myself. But, I have suggestions here as well.
Alright, let's hear them.
Okay, this first one is Big Chungus theme by Indigo, and it was suggested by Cooper's Animation.
Chungus, big 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 chungus.
Nice. I hear that's a popular one these days. What's next?
The second one is, there are lights coming from the right stage.
What kind of meme is that?
No, I mean there are lights coming from...
Ha! Forget your suggestions! It's finally my turn to take the stage!
Rolf, I thought,
Don't be silly! You mean you didn't know? I was installed just last week! They imported me from Bosnia!
How? I don't think there are any Showbiz pizzas there.
Quiet! Looney Bird, you don't know what I've been through. My cosmetics shall arrive from Albuquerque in a few days or so.
Okay, well, if you don't mind, Rolf, we're trying to play some meme.
Yeah, I know about your little show. Now it's my turn!
Don't listen to him, guys. We didn't come from Bosnia, and our cosmetics just haven't been unpacked yet.
I thought our manager hated them. What happened, Billy Bob?
I'm not sure.
Now, Earl, we discussed this. Our box clearly was marked with the word Bosnia.
Are you sure it's not just someone's name?
I am pretty sure people don't just name their child Bosnia. Who names someone after a city?
Paris, Houston, Columbus, Madison, Vienna,
Anyways,
Peyton.
I'm here now, and it's my turn to pick the meme.
What memes? You didn't pick any.
I've got a few in mind.
Well, okay. If you don't mind, we're gonna continue ours, and maybe after a few, we'll let you have a turn.
No, it's my turn. I didn't travel thousands of miles.
Literally one state away.
To be rejected.
Ask to wait.
And not make my debut.
Rolf, stop being a drama queen. You don't even have your cosmetics on.
Shut it, Earl. And that's Drama King to you.
Whatever, man.
Okay. You know what? Let's let you have a go. We're running out of time already.
Okay, the first one is a Vine, and it was suggested by the internet.
Who specifically?
The internet.
I don't sing in the shower, I perform.
Hit it, Fergie!
All the time I turn around, brothers gather around, always looking at me up and down, looking at me.
And here is another one also suggested by the internet.
Chris, is that a weed?
No, this is a crayon.
I'm calling the police!
911, what's your emergency?
Okay, those are some very nice memes. Looney, got any more in store for us?
Yeah, hold on.
Hey, Earl.
What, Rolf?
Did you know that there are many different types of Oreo cookies?
Like flavors?
Well, yes, but you can also have
Oreo, O and Rio, O and O. Oreo. Re. Oh. Oreo. Ore. Re. Ore. Ore. Re-rio. Re-ore. Oh, ray. Oh. Oh, re. Oh. Oh, re. Oh.
Oh, well, Albie, those are some fine memes, but Looney Bird and I have been waiting our turn, so if you wouldn't mind, we're gonna go ahead and play some as well.
All right, fine. You can play your memes.
Okay, that was easy, but we only have time for one more.
Damn it, Rolf. Well, okay, let's play that one real quick.
How are your vocal cords feeling, Billy Bob?
Pretty good. Why?
You're gonna have to screech for this one.
Well, that's easy, because I feel like screeching right now.